Hello everyone, we are here today on the Disney Fantasy to do a stateroom tour of a Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with Verandah. This room does sleep up to 4 adults and has a really nice layout for everyone.
This is a Category 5A stateroom. It's got a great location on Deck 9, and I really like the layout here in this room.
Let's go check it out.
As we first come into the room here, you can see over on the left we have some closets. In here we've got hanging space for our clothes with some clothes hangers. We also have a safe down below, and we have a bag to send out the laundry if you'd like to have them do laundry for you while you're here on the ship. And then the other closet has just some additional hanging space, additional hangers. We also have life jackets in here, and then we have the ladder if you're going to be using that pull down berth. The stateroom host can help you out with that, but they've stored that here in the closet. And then right next to the closets, we have a little bit of storage space. We've got some cubbies up there. We have some drawers down below, and then we have some glasses and an ice bucket there. And then over behind me, we have the bathrooms, and there are 2 bathrooms here. It is a split layout. So you've got one door here where you have a vanity, and you've got the liquid soap there, the hand soap. You also have a trash can down below and a small shelf. Got some storage shelves up here, and then the mirror there, and of course the toilet in here as well. And then the other bathroom is where you'll find your tub and shower, and you also have a vanity in here, just a single vanity with some storage down below. You've got the shelves up on the wall. They do have that big bottle of lotion in here, and they have bar soap over there by the sink. And then our tub is the full tub in here with the shower head that is detachable up there on the wall. And we have the H2O refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash over here. And we also have little Mickey heads in the shower curtain right there. And then also in the decorative curtain, we've got those same Mickey heads there. As we head into the room, you can see our queen size bed. And we do have storage underneath that bed. You can put your luggage down there because it is raised up off the ground. There's a bed runner here with some nautical elements on it with different things like the anchor, Disney Cruise Line logo. We've even got Mickey over there, the silhouette. And then on the side of the bed, we have a little nightstand that has a drawer on it. You also have a clock that is always set to ship time that does have some USB outlets built into it. And you have a wall outlet down underneath if you need another outlet. And you have a lamp that has a map on the lampshade representing the different park locations around the world and also different Disney Cruise Line ships. And there's some little Mickey heads in the lampshade as well. Over on the opposite wall from the bed, we've got a print of a Disney Cruise Line ship that has people over on the shore waving Bon Voyage. This half of the room can be segmented off by this curtain right here. And then on the other side of the bed, we have another nightstand with a drawer and a phone, but there are no outlets back there, just the phone. And then we have that lamp, of course. On this side of the room, we have a couch that pulls down into a twin-size bed and also a pull-down upper berth there. And the art on the wall is a collection of Disney stamps from different Disney movies through the years, all the way from Little Mermaid back to Lady and the Tramp and the Aristocats, lots of different movies. There's a small coffee table in here that you can move around the room pretty easily. This cabinet over here is where you'll find your mini fridge. And there is no freezer section in that mini fridge, just a regular fridge. We've got a little drawer here above this little makeup chair, and you do have a little Mickey Mouse pull on the drawer, which is really cute. Those drawers are, of course, additional storage space over there, as well as that cabinet. We've got a TV here that can pivot out and face the bed or face the couch over here. You also have some outlets built in, and you have the hairdryer outlets. You can find the hairdryer down in the drawer below here, but those outlets also have little USB outlets built in above them. So regular outlets and USB outlets over there. And then we have the veranda here in the room. And this veranda has a couple chairs and a small table out there and a decent amount of space. But one great thing about this veranda is that it does have the clear railing there so you can look out. Of course, there is some plexiglass here for safety, but it's still really nice to be able to look out across from the seats on your veranda, especially when you're out at sea or when you're in port on one of the islands. And if you do happen to have connecting staterooms, they can open up that part of the balcony divider there and allow you to have connected verandas for your room, which is really handy if you have a larger travel party. And that's going to conclude our tour of this Category 5A Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with Verandah.
We hope you enjoyed this tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
And if you head over to the channel, you'll find lots of other stateroom tours on Disney Cruise Line and room tours around Walt Disney World and other Disney resorts around the world. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.